Welcome to Rammer Hammer Training. In this video, we will walk you through operating a rammer hammer. This video should be used in conjunction with the Rammer Operator's Manual provided with the hammer. Please read the operations manual and verify the hammer has been installed and set up properly before operation. These manuals can also be downloaded at rammer.com. If you need assistance or have any technical questions, please contact your local dealer. This hammer is designed to be used in breaking concrete, road surface or asphalt, hard or frozen ground. It can be used in breaking boulders as well as demolishing reinforced structures and for major excavation and clearing work. To increase the hammer's working life, pay close attention to the correct working methods and how to choose the correct tool for the job. There are essentially two ways of breaking with a hydraulic hammer. Penetrative breaking or cutting forces a moil point or chisel tool inside the material. This method is most effective in soft, layered or plastic, low abrasive material. The high impact rate of small hammers makes them ideal for penetrative breaking. Impact breaking uses a blunt tool to crack or break the material by transferring very strong mechanical stress waves from the tool into the material. Impact breaking is most effective in hard, brittle, and very abrasive materials. The high impact energy of large hammers makes them ideal for impact breaking. The use of a chisel tool in hard material will cause the sharp edge to wear quickly. Rammer hammers include idle blow protection as a standard feature to prevent idle strokes. Frequent idle strokes have a deteriorating effect on the hammer. It's recommended that you keep idle blow protection on during normal hammer work. When idle blow protection is on, the hammer can be started only after pressing the tool against an object. Idle blow protection can be turned off by the operator when breaking very soft material or in a demolition application where it's difficult to apply enough feeding force. Make sure to stop the hammer operation when the tool is not making contact with the material. Blank firing will have a deteriorating effect on the hammer. Always keep the tool at a 90-degree angle with the surface of the material to be split or broken. If the object moves or its surface breaks, correct the angle immediately. Continued use above or below 90 degrees may damage the hammer and will wear out the bushings more quickly. To verify you are applying the proper amount of down pressure before operating the hammer, place the tool at the 90-degree angle on the material you wish to break. Continue to put pressure on the surface until the carrier weight starts to shift in the opposite direction. This shift in weight signifies that the correct amount of down pressure has been reached. It is more efficient to begin striking material near an edge of the surface versus the center. Do not strike in one spot for more than 15 seconds at a time. If the object does not break, or if the tool does not penetrate, stop the hammer and change the position of the tool. Never use a hammer with the tool submerged underwater unless previously set up for such an application. Keep the tool shank well greased during operation. Regular visual inspections during operation are recommended. An unlubricated tool shank requires more frequent greasing intervals. A tool shank covered with excessive grease requires less frequent greasing intervals. Please note, the correct amount of grease depends on the hammer's size, application, working cycles, wear rate of the tool shank and bushings, condition of the tool seal, and the quality of the grease used. If your rammer hammer is equipped with the Ram Lube 2 auto grease system, you can adjust the amount of grease released. First, open the lock nut and then turn the adjusting screw, clockwise to decrease the grease dosage and counterclockwise to increase the grease dosage. Tighten the lock nut when the proper dosage is set. If the hammer develops a leak, stop operation immediately and inspect and repair the hammer to prevent further component failures. And remember, your local dealer is available if you need assistance or have any technical questions.